Hey there guys, welcome back to Slack Pro. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cover page and a company profile for any random company. So the app I'm using is Canva. You can make very different things in here like resume, presentations and cards and many other stuff. So go to create design and write A4 and A4 document has opened up. Go to elements. From here you're gonna choose different shapes. Now go to upload. From here you can upload any content. So I'm gonna go search for buildings and let's see if we have any significant images that are really clear and like 4K images. So this one looks nice. Select it. Go to edit image. Now go to filters and nor. Yeah, this one looks nice. Go to elements and insert a rectangle. Adjust it like this, rotate it, move it towards the upper right left corner. And now go to transparency, decrease the transparency to, as you can see, I have decreased its transparency. Now duplicate it, prompts button. Now increase the second rectangle size as compared to the first one. There you go. Increase its transparency a little bit so that it is more pointed. Now duplicate it, rotate it sideways, and move it right here like this. Now go to color, change its color to black. There you go. Now duplicate it. That's it. Now add another rectangle. Now you have to rotate it, move it like this, that it forms a triangle. Now decrease its transparency weight. There you go. So we have inserted all the shapes. Now it's time for text. Add a heading, form text. I'm gonna write in it company, change its color to white, and click on change all option. There you go. Increase its size. Now what you have to do is you have to click on this font and you have to choose Playfair font. There you go. Now you're gonna write profile in another box. You're gonna choose this font as Montserrat. There you go. Now I'm gonna adjust these shapes and text a little bit. That's it. Now I'm gonna write the website's name for my cover page and I'm gonna decrease its size really much so that it looks really tiny. And there you go. I'm gonna add content. Uh, this can be anything like any points or related to the profile. So I'm gonna increase its size. There you go. Move it towards the right side. Duplicate it and duplicate it again. About 3 times. Now you have to adjust them like this. Heading of O1. And this is gonna come in front of the point 1. And duplicate it. And place it next to the second one. Now duplicate it again and paste it next to the third content and change it to O1, O2, O3. That's all for today. Be sure to like the video and subscribe my channel if you like my content. So you can also download this from my description. Be sure to hit that bell icon as well. Go to my description to get the link to download this as well.